I need to leave here now. Oh God, am I supposed to be scared? Am I supposed to be scared? God is with me. You know, I'm not scared of anything. All right, guys. I'm not supposed to be scared. I'm not scared of anything. So, my God is able. My goodness. This is natural resources. Look at rock. Look at rock. Look at rock. So this is where I'm heading to. You can see where I'm heading to, right? I'm climbing that rock. You know. Okay, guys. This is the day 2 of 30 days adventures to discover herbs that makes rain. So let's go.